students. Welcome to a new session of Color Cube. Today we are continuing with chapter 8 Body Movements. In this session we are going to discuss on muscles, its contraction and relaxation. Muscles are attached to the bones and is responsible for the movement of human body. Most of the times muscles are attached to the bones. That means in human body muscles are attached to bones. And what is the need of these muscles? They are required for the movement of human body. They are responsible for the motion in human body. There is change in the length of muscle due to contraction and relaxation. For movement to occur, we want to either relax the muscle or contract the muscle. So, two important processes related to muscles are contraction and relaxation. Now, let's see what is meant by contraction of muscle and relaxation of muscle. If you move your arm touching your shoulder, you will observe the bulging part on your arm. See, when you move your fingers towards the shoulder, you can see the bulging portion on your arm. This is due to contraction of muscle. This bulging is due to contraction of muscle. And if you relax it, that means if you stretch your hand straightly, that there will not be any bulging. That means the hand is in its normal position. And this is due to relaxation of muscles. Repeat once again. If you move your finger towards to the holder, that means if you're going to touch your neck using your hand, you can see a bulging in your hand. That bulging is due to contraction of muscle. And if you put your hand in a straight position, that means if you relax your hand, there will not be any bulging. That is relaxation of muscle. How do the muscles work? The muscles work in pairs. Please remember that muscles work in pairs. When one of them contracts, the bone is pulled in that direction. The other muscle of the pair relaxes. That is the important thing we should keep in mind. When one of the muscle contracts, that bone is pulled in that direction and the other muscle of the pair relaxes. So we can say that muscles work in pairs. To move the bone in the opposite direction, the relaxed muscle contracts, and to pull the bone towards its original position while the first relaxes. A muscle can only pull and it cannot push. So don't forget, muscles work in pairs. That means whenever we are moving any part of the body or doing any work, two muscles are working at a time. That means muscles work in pairs. One of the muscle contracts, the other muscle will be relaxing. And if you come to our original position, those muscle which was contracted will be relaxed and the other one will be contracted. Let's see them in detail. See here, two motions I'm seeing here. First, let us move our fingers towards the shoulder. That time, here, biceps are contracted. See, everyone, look at your hand and see this motion. Biceps will be contracted and the triceps, the bottom portion of your hand, that will be relaxed. In this movement, biceps will be contracted. These are biceps and it will be contracted and triceps will be relaxed. And if you relax your hand, that means if you stretch your hand straightly, this biceps will be relaxed. Here it was contracted. The reverse thing will happen. Biceps will be relaxed and triceps get contracted. That means at a time two muscles are working. When we are going to touch our shoulder with our fingers, see, biceps are contracting and triceps are relaxing. And here, if you are stretching your hand straight, biceps are relaxing and triceps will be contracted. So we can say that muscles work in pairs. That means two muscles are working at the same time. If one is relaxed, other will be contracted. Here, this is the figure given in a textbook. Muscles work in pairs. How they are working? Biceps contract and the triceps expand or relax. Here, biceps expand or relax and the triceps contract. Everybody, touch your shoulders and see this contraction and relaxation. Thank you.